All right, here's a job in Broad Ripple. That's about the middle of Indianapolis. It's usually I call them zero lot lines. The properties are butted up and next to each other. So the houses, garage, everything's right close on top of each other. Old neighborhoods. Anyways, do a lot of work in this area, but bringing this all up for the customer, probably about 7-8 inches, and then tapering down into the backyard. And then he got this new sidewalk put in over here. I'm gonna bring up the soil along the edge of that to build that up so there's not such a drop off there on that sidewalk. So you can kind of see that. So going all the way down along here, and then I'll taper that down, and that way it doesn't have that drop off. He's just trying to get a smoother backyard for kids to play and just have a smooth backyard. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today, spreading the topsoil. I got the first load. It's been kind of hard to get topsoil this year, like it is every year in the spring in Indianapolis. We get lots of rain, but got it now. It's good stuff. Get this going. Thanks for watching. All right, moving along here. I got around the sidewalk done. I like to spread the seed. I just put it right on the sidewalk and then blow it off. And I put my seed down pretty thick. I like the customers to have a pretty good stand of grass. I think it just makes for a better yard in the long run. So anyways, got the seed down. I'm gonna put the straw on this little section. I'm just waiting for the next load of topsoil. It's gonna go over there about halfway between the garage and the neighbors there. So keep moving. Alright, got the last load of topsoil here. This area all along the concrete, and over here I'm going to build it up. Customer's going to put a fence right about here. So he wants this area built up to the street and then tapered down on the other side of the fence. So if you can see, it's now the truck put some big ruts in here, but that'll get leveled off with the new topsoil. But you got that little lip on the concrete. So almost done. I'm gonna keep going here. Topsoil, 3 triaxles of topsoil spread. Seed, straw. Nice and smooth. Gotta water it now, that's for the customer. Don't let it dry out. That's why I always tell my customers. New grass, don't let it dry out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day.